In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch an existing GitHub repository from using HTTPS to SSH. This process helps streamline your workflow by leveraging SSH key authentication, eliminating the need for typing in your username and password with every operation. First, it's essential to ensure that you have SSH access set up. This involves generating an SSH key and adding it to your GitHub account. If you've done this already, great. If not, be sure to follow GitHub's documentation on creating and adding SSH keys to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once you have your SSH key added, it's time to test the connection. Open up your terminal and type in the command ssh git at github.com. If the setup is correct, you'll receive a friendly message back from GitHub saying, "Hi, your username. You've successfully authenticated," confirming that your SSH connection is working as expected. Next, let's take a look at your current remote URL. Navigate to your local repository folder using the terminal and then enter the command git remote ve. This will show you the URLs currently associated with your remote repository. If you see a URL that starts with HTTPS, it indicates that your repository is still using HTTPS. Now, let's switch the remote URL from HTTPS to SSH. Enter the command git remote set URL origin git at github.com, username repo. Git replacing username repo with your specific GitHub username and repository name. This command changes your repository's origin remote to utilize the SSH protocol instead. To ensure the change was successful, run the git remote v command once more. You should see that the URLs listed for both fetch and push now start with git at github.com, confirming that you're using SSH. Finally, it's time to test everything out with a git operation, like git pull or git push. Try performing one of these commands, and you should notice that you're no longer prompted for your GitHub username and password. Instead, your SSH key is used for authentication, providing a seamless experience. Switching from HTTPS to SSH for your GitHub repositories can make working with Git more efficient by simplifying the authentication process. If you encounter any errors, double-check your SSH keys and ensure they've been added correctly to your GitHub account. Also, verify that your GitHub account settings allow for SSH operations. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your repository to use SSH, streamlining your development workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips, and have a wonderful day managing your repositories effortlessly.